guys, Joy here. So it is my goal to get more people eating fruits and vegetables. And how am I gonna do that? I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome creamy cashew veggie dip in my book, Joyous Detox, because it's so delicious. And here's the problem. Most dips that you buy at the grocery store are full of so much junk like GMO canola oil, sodium, sugar, preservatives, and this recipe has none of that. It's amazing. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. So there you have it, guys. You're totally wanting to eat more vegetables right now, aren't you? So it's on page 193 of my book, Joyous Detox. It's gluten-free, it's actually vegan, there's no animal products in it whatsoever, it's dairy-free, and it's so delicious. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a joyous day. Bye!